Listen up, I
Hello
got a message to
everyone.
deliver about living life to the fullest. Yo, I'ma give. Forget the stress, leave the worries behind. It's time to shine, let your spirit unwind. Enjoy your life every day and every night.
Hello everyone.
Embrace the
Gumble
moment,
and
live
this
it
is
up,
the
take
Lucky
flight.
Room. Sa lahat po na walang
No need
agency,
to worry,
pwede po kayo
no
mag-PM
need
sa
to strive.
akin, kay PWM,
Just live your
sa
dreams,
number 5, kay Marky,
enjoy your
my wife,
life.
Janelle. Please follow po yung host natin, which is the agent, PWT na Snow.
Enjoy your life.
Welcome po sa PL ng PWT Agency. Gamble, guys.
Enjoy your life. Take you on a journey. Let's go on an adventure. No time for regrets, no need for censure.
Oh, magsalita ka
Life's too
kayo.
short, gotta make it count. Don't let negativity bring you down. Enjoy your life every day and every night.
Mag-PM na
Embrace
po
the
kayo
moment, live it
sa
up,
host,
take
sa
flight.
akin, kay Janelle,
No
kay
need to worry,
Brandon.
no need to strive. Just live your dreams, enjoy your life. Life's a roller coaster full of ups and downs.
Gamble, gamble.
But you gotta keep going, turn those frowns around. Find your passion, chase your dreams, live life to the fullest. It's not as hard as it seems.
Pwede kayo magsabay mag-gamble.
No more wait, it's time to take action. Break free from the chains, create your own traction. What you love, follow your heart's desire. Don't let anyone put out your fire. Enjoy your life every day and every night. Embrace the moment, live it up, take flight. No need to worry, no need to strive. Just live your dreams, enjoy your life. Live it up, don't hold back. Make every moment count. Stay on track. Enjoy your life, embrace the joy and the
Thank you po
strife.
sa lahat ng
You
nag-gamble.
only got
Thank
one
you.
shot, so
Wala po
enjoy
agency.
it.
PM lang po kayo.
Tapos na yung paputok?
Ubus na.
Ah,
So, wala akong agency dyan. Free 2 PM po. Thank you.
parang hindi naman ako bumiling fireworks.
Ah?
Nabawi ko naman.
Wow.
Hindi man lang ako nag-big win eh.
O, diba? Ganun siya.
Man lang nag-hallelujah.
Walang hallelujah.
Wala nga.